Let me share my screen here. Okay. Now I'll go to this database here. So I've connected to the SQL Server using SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. I'll select this database here. Okay. So select this data, click on new query here. So what we'll do is in this section, so we'll discuss on the operators. This discussed in the last session, last video. Okay. So we know that we have different types of operators, right? So that is relational operator. Okay. Assignment or comparison operator and logical operators. And we have got the set operators, right? And we have one more operator. Okay. So we have arithmetic operator also. Arithmetic operators. So let's go and discuss on this. So when you go to relational operator, we have something called the less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to, right? So these all the relational. Now assignment operator. So for assignment or comparison, we have single equal to. It's not like double equal to. So for assign also, you'll use single for assigning a value to a variable, or you want to come or assign a value, or you want to compare also, you'll use single equal to only. Now when you go to logical, so we have many here, not, in, right, between, okay, not in, and we have something called exists. Okay, so these all we have, and not in, between, not in, exists. So we'll all see that. Now set operators, we'll have something called the union and union all, minus, or except, and we have something called intersection, and we have arithmetic. So we have plus, minus, multiplication, division, right, and modulus. So these are operators. Let's work on these examples. How do you use? So I'll create a new query window here. I'll create a new table here. Let's go and create a new table and work on that. Create table employee. So let's see whether that employee table is already there in database or not. Let's go to the tables here. So you see here we got only employee info and HR underscore HR.emp. So let's go with employee. Now what I'll do, I'll have ID, int, name, some varchar 20 here. Then we have sal, decimal 18 comma 2. Then we have department int here. Let's go and create this table. Okay, we created this table. So you can go to the database here, just refresh this tables folder. You'll find that employee table. So you see this employee table, right? Now let's go and insert. Now let's go insert into employee values. So I'll insert here. So we'll do bulk insert. Okay, select one. So I'll give as name 1 for employee 1. So I'll give 1000, then department 10, union, right? Union all, select 2, then name 2, 2020 here. Union all, I'll have around some 10 to 15, 10 rows here. select free, name, 3 year, 3,000, 30 year, right? Let's go like this. So let me insert this union all. Sorry, there is a spelling mistake. Union all, select for come, name for 4,000, 10 year. Union all, select 5, name 5, 5,000, 20 year. Union all, select 6. So I'm giving idea 6, name 6 year, then 6,000, then 30 year. Union all, select 7, name 7. So ID I'm giving a 7, name as name 7 year, 7,000, then 10. Union all, select 8 as ID, name, sorry, double quotes, name 8, then 8,000, then 20 as department number. Union all, select 9, name 9, 9,000, 30 year, right? I'm inserting 9 rows here. So let me insert. I'm using bulk insert. So in the previous insert statement, we have seen how to do. So in insert, we can insert data in 3 types. So one of the type is bulk insert, where I'm inserting multiple rows in single statement. So this is what bulk insert. In that bulk insert, you need to use union all. Let's go and execute here. So you see 9 rows affected. Now let's go. So we'll take a new query window here. All right. Select start from employee year. Now try to execute. So you should be able to see the data. Now we'll make use of the relational operators, right? We'll make use of, first let's go and see this assignment operator. So I told you this assignment operator is equal to, right? Let's see how we can make use. So I want to find, so we have got this, I want to find, so assignment here we have assignment operator and comparison operator are both same. So both will have the equal to symbol only. So generally in other languages, we have something called assignment operator. In other language, operator as equal to, that is equal, and comparison operator will be as double equal to. But this is not in case, you don't have any double equal to in SQL. So we have only a single equal to operator for both, for comparing a value to value and for assigning a value also. Now, if you see, we have got, so if you see here, we have got employee ID, name, sal. So I want to find out, I want to get, so where do you generally use here? So this is all okay. But these assignment in select, so these assignment operators are used basically, these operators are basically, so here we have used, we see different type of operator, right? Like relational, arithmetic, assignment, and logical operator. These are specially used in with select statement using where clause. So here we're using, so here this select statement. So if you see, you write like this: select start from table name, and you use where clause here, where. So here you have where condition. So this where condition is with select statement. So what is the purpose of that select statement? What is the purpose of that where clause? You have where clause, right? So this where condition is called as where clause. So this where clause is used with select statement, where clause. So what is the purpose of having this where clause? Where clause is used to filter the records, right? Filter. So now we'll make use of that where clause. So right, let's go. Select start from, we have got employee table. So let's go here where I want ID. So I want to find out whose employee ID is 5. Because if you see when you write this select statement, right? When you write select start from table, what happens? It will get all the records. Right now I have got only the 9 records, but when you work with the project, so you might have hundreds of records or lakhs of records and crores of records. But if at all you want to find out where ID equal to 5, or name is equal to some name 3, or salary is equal to 5,000, or department is equal to 10, how do you filter that records? Right? If at all you write like select start from, you will get all the records. But here we have got where clause to filter the data from whole table. So now what I want to find is, I want to find where ID equal to I want to find out employee whose ID is 5. So what I'll do, I'll use this where, and I want to find whose employee ID is 5. So here we've got ID. So ID has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you might have more than those records also, but right now I have got only 9. How do you filter? So what I'll do, ID equal to 5 here, right? So I'll get, now what happens? You will get only the person whose record is 5. So you might have single record, you might have multiple records. In some cases, you may not be having record also while you are filtering it. Now I'm doing it here. I'm putting this where clause here, where ID. Where is the here? Where is the filter clause? That is where clause, and ID is a column name of a table. And from that column name, I want to know whose value is equal to ID. That record I want to find. So you go here and try to execute this. Did you see? You got only the employee whose ID is 5 here, right? Now, now let's go. So now we have seen this equal to operator. Now similarly, so I want to find out. So I've given where name is equal to, I want to find whose name is 4. A person whose name is 4, right? So we know, right? So here if you only execute this select statement, you see these all people, name 1, name 2, name 3, name 4, name 5, name 6, name 7, name 8, right? You got. But out of this, I want to find out whose employee name is name 4. So I'll just go here, I'll execute this. Did you see? Similarly, I want to find whose salary is 7,000. So if you execute here, you will have all the employees you got, and the salary is 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, right? You have got all these salaries. And here you have got salaries equal. So you're comparing here. So I want to find out of that records, I want to find out whose employees salary is 7,000. So I'll just go and execute here. You'll get this. Now I want to find the employees whose department number is 10. So if you execute here, only this select statement. So you see this employee with department number 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, right? You have got. But here if you execute these all, right? If you execute this, we select start from employee whose department number is called 10. So I want to find out all the employees belongs to department 10. Now try to execute here. You have got 3 employees, right? So nothing but this equal to is operator is used for comparison, and you are able to filter out. Where clause is able to filter the records. This is how you use this one. Now let's go to relational operators here. So less than, greater than. Now let's go to this. So we have what relational operator. Let's see. Relational operators. So in this we have what greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to. So you can use these two for not equal to. So these two operators are used for not equal to only. Okay. Now let's see here, right? So I want to find out, so greater than, whose salary is greater than 5,000. So in this table, so if you see here, execute here, you got all. So I want to find out whose salary is greater than 5,000, right? So when I say where salary greater than 5,000 means what? It should get from 5001, from 5002, from 5003, from so 5004, right? Till dot dot dot. It might have lakhs, crores, millions also, because we told greater than 5000 means it comes, the values all will come in that range is this. So then from 5001, 5002 till lakhs and crores of values, or whose salary is 5001, 5002, like this you have, whoever has got, right? Now let's go execute this. Did you see? So we have used this filter clause, right? So greater than 5000 salary. So you see this first record is 6000. Is 6000 greater than 5000? Yes. If you say this 7000, is this salary greater than 5000? Yes. You see 8000, is this salary greater than 5000? Yes. If you see this 9000, is this salary greater than 5000? Yes. Right? So you are filtered. Now similarly, you go here. Now try to put less than 5000. So what happens if it is going to check? It is going to check from 4999, 4998, 4997, 4996, 4995, 4994, 4993, like this, right? It is going to check those values because we want salary less than 5000. Let's go here. Now try to execute here, right? So is this 1000 less than 5000? Yes. Is this 2000 less than 5000? Yes. Is this 3005 less than this 5000? Yes. Is this 4000 less than 5000? Yes, here. Right, na? That is. So this 1000 is less than 5000, right? Absolutely. Right, na? Now let's go here. We'll go and have greater than or equal to 5000. Whose salary? Here, whose salary is greater than or equal to 5000. Means it will check from 5000, 5001, then 5002, 5003, 5004, 5005, 5006, right? This is how it checks whose salary is greater than or equal to, right? So let's go here. Execute this statement. So you see 5000 is salary 5000 greater than or equal to 5000. Yeah, absolutely right. 6000 greater than or equal to 5000. Yes. 7000 greater than or equal to 5000. Yes. 8000 greater than or equal to 5000. Yes. 9000 greater than or equal. Yes. Absolutely right. Similarly, let's go here. Less than or equal to 5000. Right? Let's go here. Now you see, is 1000 less than or equal to 5000? Yes. 2000 less than or equal to 5000? Yes. 3000 less than or equal to 5000? Yes. 3000, 4000 less than or equal to 5000? Yes. 5000 less than or equal to? Absolutely. Right? So now what we'll do here, I want department number not equal to, so here not equal to 10. Okay. Not equal to 20. I want all the employees who doesn't belong to 20 department. So I'm using this not equal to, right? Now let's go here. Now try to execute here. So you see, is 10 not equal to 20? Yes. Is 30 not equal to 20? Yes. 10 not equal to 20? Yes. 30 not equal to 20? Yes. Right? You have got this all. Right? Na? Absolutely. So we have used this operator for not equal. Similarly, you will have other operator this also for not equal to. Let's go here. Have not equal to. Right? Na? Let's go. Right? So equal, not equal to has got two operators. Colon equal to greater than less than. So 10 not equal to 20, yes. 20, 30 not equal to 20, yes. 10 not equal to 20, yes. 30 not equal to what, right? So absolutely it is working here. Right? Na? This is how it's working. So we have seen relational operator. Now let's go here. So we have got, we'll see this logical operator, not, in, between, not. Okay. Now let's go there. Okay, right. So now when I want department number, what I wanted is I wanted employee who belongs to employees who employees who belong to 10 and 30. I wanted employees who belong to 10. So if I go here where department equal to 10, department number equal to 10, right? So what happens here? So you'll get only department number 20 on 10 only. Here I'll get only department number 10 because equal to. Can I go and put here 10 comma 20 here? Department number equal to 10 and 20? No, you can't put here. So if you execute, so it will scold you because incorrect syntax. So equal to operator will take only single value, but you have taken multiple values here. This equal to operator will take single value, not multiple value, because you see multiple values with comma. So it will take only single value or not multiple. So it is working for 10 here. You see, when it is single value. Similarly, if at all you go here for 20, this also it works, but not for multiple value. So you see here, you got 20 records, 20 department record here. Now, if I give 10 comma 20 comma 10, if I execute here, this is failing because equal to operator will not take multiple values here. So now what you need to do, because this 10 and 20, sorry, 10 or 30, whatever be. So now I want to get the employees. So I got multiple values. Then how do you give here? When you want to compare that, when you want to get records of employees who belongs to 10 and 20. So equal to operator will take single value only, not multiple. So what you need to do is you need to use operator in 10 comma 30 here. In will take multiple values and you need to use this small bracket. That in operator will take multiple values. So here when I say 10 and 20, it doesn't mean that 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, dot, 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 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. It doesn't mean like this. When you say in, you have used 10 comma 30. It doesn't mean that from 10 to 30. It means only 10 and 30 value. It means only 10 and 20, 10 and 30 values only, not from 10 to 30. Okay. Right now, let's go here. Now try to execute. So you see here, you have got 10. So 10 is between these values. So 10 here, 30, yes, 10, 30, 10, 30. Right now. So you got right now. So you have got here. Right. So I want to get, so in is, if at all range of values, you need to put there in. So now I want to get I want to get employees, if I want to get employee records whose department doesn't fall under 10 and 30. I want to get the employee records, so I'm using not in. So apart from this 10 and 20, so I can't go here and say not equal to 10 comma 30 here. I can't do like this because not equal to and not equal to will take only single value, but I'm trying to give multiple values here. Will this work? It doesn't work. It will scold you saying that's incorrect syntax. So what do you need to do? You need to go here and say not in bracket 10 comma 30 here whose department is not. Right now try to execute here. Right, you have got 30 department records. Right now, so you got, right, so you have got this. So you will get all the employees who doesn't belongs to 10 and 20. Again, I'm telling you, when I say 10 and 10 comma 20, it it will represent only 10 and 30 values only, but not 10 comma 11 comma 12 comma 13 comma like this, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. It doesn't represent this, but not this. Okay, remember. Right, we have seen this, right? Na? Right? So we have this. Now, right. So we have seen in. Now let's go here. So we have something called between and operator, right? So I want to get employees whose salaries are from 5,000 to 10,000. So what happens here? So it comes 5,000, 5,001, 5,002, 5,003, 5,004, 5,005, dot dot dot, 9,009, 95, 9,009, 96, 9,000, 9, 97, 9,000, 998, 9,099, 10,000. Right? These all values will come. Why? Because you are asking for whose salaries are 10,000 to 5,000 to 10,000. Now, how do you use the year? So you can't put these all values in, you can't write these all values in operator, right? We have got in also. We can't write these all range of values in operator. So we have got here something called between and between 5,000 and 10,000. So this will check. So when you say between 5,000 and 10,000, so this will check this between 5,000 and 10,000 here, right? Between 5,000 and 10,000, this will check. So, right? So where salary, right? Between 5,000 and 10,000, right? Na? This is how it checks. Salary between 5,000 and 10,000. Because in will not take, in also it takes, but in what happens in, you need to write all the values in clause from 5,000 to 10,000. 500 numbers, 5,000 numbers you need to write. So to avoid that problem, we have got between and operator, which will take the range of value from 5,000 to 10,000. Now try to execute this, right? So you got this. So is this 5,000 between 5,000 and 10,000? 6,000 between 5,000 and 10,000? 7,000 between 5,000 and 10,000? 8,000 between 5,000 and 10,000? 9,000? Yes, this is right. Right? Huh? So we have seen in and this one. Now we have got something called OR operator. OR operator. Right? So when you say OR operator, so this will check, it will use multiple conditions to check. Right? So now let's see. So we have got or and we have got and. Let's go with or, then we'll see where after that we'll see and operator also. Right? So let's go here. So here we have got multiple records. So if you go to this, we have got multiple records. Let's go here. Select statement. Now I want to find, right? I want to get who department number equal to 10, right? Or salary between 5,000 and 10,000. Okay. So you see here, here you have employee records here. Okay. So here we have got, so here what I'm trying to do is, so I want to get employees of either who belongs to 10 department or who whose salary is greater than 5, whose salary is between 5,000 and 10,000. So either of one condition, right? Either it can meet this condition right? It can meet this condition, or it can meet this condition also, or it can meet both the conditions also. But to get the records, to get this condition met, either of one condition it should meet. It should meet either of one condition. Either that employees has to belong to 10, or they have to belong 20, either of one condition, because you are using or here, or it doesn't mean that it should satisfy both the condition. It doesn't mean it should satisfy both. It should meet either of one condition. Either it should meet this condition, or it should meet this condition. It's not mandatory that it should meet both the conditions here. Now let me go and execute this. So you see department 10, yes, department 10 here. So department 10, yes, you have got here also department 10. But here you go department 20, it has got filled. But this salary is 5,000. So it is meeting between this, right? Salary is between 5,000 and 10,000. If you see department 30, this department 10 is failing here. But this 6,000, this department number 30, whose salary is 6,000, is meeting this condition, right? And if at all you go for this, so 10 is meeting this condition, and 7,000 also, it is meeting this also. Now you see 30, so it's not meeting this department 10, but 8,000 is meeting this condition. Here 30, it's not meeting this condition, but this salary 9,000 is meeting this condition, right? So either of condition, so you see, either in case of or it should meet this condition or this condition. One of condition it should meet. If at all it doesn't meet any of the condition, those records will not come, right? Now if you see and, when you say and, what happens? It should meet this condition, it should meet both the condition, then only that record will get selected or retrieved. Now try to execute this. I'm using and here. So you see, you have got only 10 whose salary is between, so you see 10, yes, it has got satisfied. And you see 7,000, so it is between 5,000 and 10,000. So it met both the conditions, right? It met both the condition. You got only one record here. Means we have got 9 records. Out of this, only you got, because it has met this condition, because and operator we have used here. Right? Na? So it should satisfy both the conditions, it should meet both the conditions also. So we have seen relational and logical operators. We have got set operators and relational. We'll see as we go on in the next videos. Right? Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and press on the bell button. Thank you.